Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin access and a saved workspace. This matters because Windows blocks removals without rights. Once signed in, close the target program and note its exact name and version. Make sure you're not uninstalling a shared dependency. Now open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. This interface shows what Windows manages. You will use the built-in uninstall flow first, because it's safest and preserves settings you might need later. You choose the program in Installed Apps and click Uninstall. Follow the app's prompts and provide admin consent when asked. If the program has its own uninstaller, run that instead because it often removes extras and registry entries. Make sure to open Task Manager and end any related processes if the uninstaller stalls, then retry. Once the uninstall completes, restart the machine if prompted, because some files are removed only at shutdown. After uninstall, check program files and app data for leftover folders. Delete them only if you're sure they belong to the removed app. Once done, run disk cleanup or storage settings to reclaim space. If an app refuses to uninstall or crashes, use the Windows Troubleshooter or a trusted third-party uninstaller to fix registry traces. As a final safeguard, create a system restore point before risky removals so you can roll back if something breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.